Welcome back to my channel, guys. Really quick, let me show you how I was able to catch a big move from a higher time frame, from the daily time frame on both 500. So like about 2 weeks ago, I was trying to analyze the chart and I spotted that this is on a downtrend, but as at that time this third move hasn't happened, so it was only these two, or just these two. So I decided to extend the trend line and wait for it to touch for a third time. And this morning I was able to come back and see it on my line, so I had to take a sell on the lot size of 0.5. So I've been waiting, and this is gonna be a long trade because, well, I'm actually gonna hold it for some time. Maybe I will shift the TP that I put, or maybe take out the TP and see how long this is gonna go, because it's on a daily time frame. So this is a sniper entry. So if you want to learn how to trade very well, you have to learn technical analysis, guys. Technical analysis is everything in trading. So, but I do use indicators. I have a good indicator that I use to trade boom and crash, and it also works for step index and range break. So in order to put that up, let me go to the next charts. This is the indicator here. This is the indicator, the BS power. I use it from the 1 hour time frame down to 5 minutes time frame or 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 hour is where I spot my entries. So since this is boom, I only sell boom, I don't buy boom. But I'm seeing an entry for a buy here, and that is why there is this spike. You notice the market retraced immediately. The red bars touched the green line. So that was why there is a retracement here on a 1 hour time frame. If you go down to the smaller time frames, you see there is a big retracement there. That is because of the indicator. So I only sell boom, I don't buy boom. So if I should see a good entry on the time to sell boom, I will make another video and show you how the indicator works. But for now, let me see if I can maybe give you the settings of the indicator. Once you go to your F button, you go down to, okay, this is the setting here. Click on BS power, you put it on 13. Then the stochastic oscillator. The first indicator you put is this stochastic oscillator. Once you put the stochastic oscillator, then you add your BS power. So first go to your stochastic oscillator, click it. These are the settings. Just leave everything the way you see it on my screen. Then when you go to the levels, you click on the levels. Is what you put on the levels from 1 to 10, then from 90 to 100. Then the color, you can make the color any you can choose any color you want. Then the pixel 4. That's what you do for the levels. Then for these stars, if you have a white background, leave your color on white. If it's a black background, leave it on black. Then you press done. Then after you must have put the stochastic oscillator, that's when you put your BS power. So the way to use the indicator is whenever you see this bars touching this green cloud or green lines, and then you shift your screen to the right to see if it's still there. If it's still there, then it means the indicator is accurate. I mean, the indicator for that moment is accurate. Like the signal you are receiving that time is accurate. That's why you see this retracement here, because this line is touching this green, and you are trying to see if you're moving the chart to the right, whether it's still going to stay there or it's going to move. So since it's still there, it means the entry is accurate. So just for that moment you take a buy, because this is a buy signal. So likewise the sell, once you see the bar touching the green lines, and you move your chart to the right to see if it's still there or it's gonna go out. Once you spot that the thing is still there, it's not moving around, it's just there, then it's a good time to sell. So I combine this indicator with my analysis skill to find good entries on when to sell and when to buy. I also use psychological levels to find my entry. So the confluence of most of these things give me a perfect entry. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.